Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis, and we are heading into another weekend. And this is for today, Friday until Monday, February 5 to 8, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set beginning today at 3 p.m. until tomorrow, it's Saturday. We have a few weather systems affecting our country right now. First, we are going to mention the northeast monsoon is starting to weaken, and as you can see here, it's just affecting the extreme northern and eastern portions of northern and central Luzon. And embedded within this monsoon is the tail end of a frontal system doing some lots of rainfall across the eastern sections of central Luzon, including CaLaBaRZon, Mindoro, and also Marinduque and portions of the Bicol region. While over the West Philippine Sea, that includes the Panatag Shoal and the Calayan Island group, they will be under the influence of the northeasterly southeast wind flow. It's a weaker Amihan. And also across portions of MiMaRoPa like Palawan and Sulu Archipelago. Over to the east of the Bicol region and also across the Visayas, northern and eastern Mindanao, we have now the resurgence of the warm Easterlies, which is generating some cloudiness and thunderstorms across the Bicol region for the past few hours, but it's starting to die down, and likely by tomorrow we could expect some improved weather, some sunny skies. But still, in the afternoon, there could be some showers or thunderstorms brought about by the easterlies. Although this easterlies is somewhat brief for the next 3 days, the return of the northeasterly surface wind flow will commence by tomorrow afternoon through the weekend. Okay. And outside of Bar, we don't have any active low pressure area. We just have here a shallow one. This shallow LPA is not expected to intensify, but it will track towards to the south of Palau. So far, that's the latest from our graph set. As we look at our fast animation, here comes the cloudiness generated by the convergence of the easterlies and the northeasterly surface wind flow of the northeast monsoon, which generated some rains over the Bicol region. And let's take a look at our zoom in satellite animation. So you can clearly see here those cloudiness thunderstorms across most parts of the Bicol region brought about by the convergence of the easterlies and northeast monsoon and the tail end of a frontal system. While here you can clearly see here the movement of the clouds blowing from the east because of the resurgence of the easterlies as of this time. And as we look at our 3-day rainfall accumulation from windy.com, this is from the European model for the next 3 days until Monday or Sunday, we could still expect some showers or thunderstorms across the eastern sections of Visayas and northeastern Mindanao, portions of Cebu, northern Negros, and northern Panay, as well as Oriental Mindoro, and also across portions of southern and northern Bicol region. We could expect some rainfall brought about by the easterlies and the northeasterly surface wind flow, and also across southern and northern Quezon, the eastern sections of Cagayan, and northern coastal areas of northern Cagayan. Okay, so far that's the latest. And as we look at our windy.com American model wind forecast for the next 24 hours, the easterlies will again return, blowing from the northeast, but we are going to double check this for tomorrow afternoon if indeed we are going to return to a northeasterly surface wind flow, but somewhat it could be the general easterlies from the east. But on Sunday, the Easterly surface wind flow will strengthen a little bit in some windy conditions or busy conditions across northern and eastern Samar, Masbate, and the northern portions of Sulu Archipelago. That includes Amanpulu and other areas that will be affected by this northeasterly surface wind flow. And we have here a short or a small northeast monsoon affecting portions of Babuyan and Batanes group of islands. And on Monday, the northeast monsoon will continue to be blowing over the northernmost part of Luzon, while there's a possibility that the northeast monsoon will again affect the eastern sections of the Bicol region and portions of eastern Visayas on Monday. But this will only be a short one, since the high pressure over western Japan will start to another high pressure over western Japan will start to weaken after Monday. On Tuesday, and you can see here on Tuesday that the winds will be shifting from the east across CaLaBaRZon, Metro Manila, and also across southern Luzon, Bicol region, and the whole of Visayas. And that includes the eastern sections of northern Luzon and Batanes, Babuyan, Cubao Islands. So far, so good. Our weather is somewhat rainy due to the effects of the ongoing La Nina climate. So we expect, even we don't have the surge of the northeast monsoon, we are experiencing some rainfall brought about by the warm Easterlies, which is quite strong right now due to the presence of the ongoing moderate to strong La Nina phenomenon. Okay, so we are going to return again on Monday to give you more update on the weather from Typhoon 2000. This has been Mike Padua, and we will be returning again next week to give you more updates on the weather. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser. Have a great weekend, and thank you so much for watching our channel.